Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And now take a look at this option bar at the top. On the second position from the right, we've got the resolution, and in this device we've got three different options. So 1080p, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, but we've got also 4K and 720p. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 4K. As you can see, it is highlighted, which means that it has been applied, and from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.